Okay guys, before we get into this video, like I said, I have two businesses. The hair is from DollFace extensions, periods, periods, period. Ooh, good. Okay, and my onesies from my other business called Airi Boutique. Okay, so in today's video, y'all, we are going to be talking about how to grow your business on Instagram. Stay tuned and let's watch the video. Let's watch the video. Okay, y'all, so in today's video, we're going to be talking about how to grow your business on Instagram. So these are just some do's and don'ts, key points, whatever, on how to grow your business on Instagram. So the number one thing on how to grow your business on Instagram is staying consistent, okay, boo? You got to show up every day. You got to post every day, for one. You have to engage with your followers every day. You have to post at least 3 pictures a day, okay? At least. At the least, okay? At the least, you need to post 3 times a day. That don't mean post come on Instagram at 5 o'clock and post all 3 pictures. No. At least post at 12 a.m. because that's when people, not 12 a.m., 12 p.m. because that's when people are on lunch. I'm going to scratch that out. The first post should probably be around 8 or 9 a.m. That's what I do. Around 8 or 9 a.m. That's when people are waking up, about to get ready for work. And then post again at 12 p.m. because that's when people are taking their lunches between from 11:30 a.m. to 1 p.m. Around that time, that's when you should post your second post at least, or your third, whichever one. That is when most people start taking their lunches or whatever, and you right there in the game, boo. And then the third post, sometimes I would say between 5 p.m. and 7 p.m. because that's when people are getting off. That's when people are looking at their phones more, or they just got home, they're relaxing, and they just got on their phone and they get on Instagram. Same thing for Facebook, But make sure what you posting is professional, okay? Make sure what you posting is professional, okay? Do you want to buy something that somebody just got laying on the floor? Then you see dirt crumbs and everything on the floor. You're like, hell no, I'm not buying that. You see that girl? It got crumbs by the shirt. It got crumbs by the hair. Now my hair gonna have some crumbs in it. You don't want that. That's a bad impression, boo. Get a pretty little fur rug, because I got a pretty little fur rug. Get a pretty little, fabric. I got this fabric back here from Walmart. Okay, buy some diamonds, okay? Spread it out. Buy some rose petals. Spread it out. Get creative. Nobody wants to see their stuff or potential stuff that you're selling on the floor, okay? Okay, no, don't nobody want to see that, okay? Yeah, you can be like, but I'm posting my hair, but they got to co-wash it. Everybody do not co-wash their hair. I don't co-wash my hair, okay? I know I'm supposed to. I be telling people to do that. I don't even do it. So I know it's people out there like me, my customers out there like me that don't co-wash their hair, because I don't do it. I just, okay, bleach the knots, pluck it, boom, right on my head. That's it, okay? So I rinse it. Well, I rinse it out because, I got to bleach it. So I kind of do. But for my bundles, you don't need to bleach no knots. You don't need to pluck that. Boom, right on their head. They probably got a hair appointment. As soon as they got the package, they got a hair appointment tomorrow. They ain't got time. So, yeah, make sure your pictures is professional, okay? Don't have your kids running in the background, your background dirty as hell. You do not want that. No. Okay? Ain't nobody gonna. If you seen that stuff on somebody else's page, you wouldn't want to buy that. So you telling me you gonna buy that? No. So So make sure your stuff is clean, professional. It ain't even got to be all that. Like I said, just have a fur rug, lay on the fur rug. Get some fabric from Walmart. And Joann's got fabric too. No, lay it on there and have a background like this, okay? This is Walmart, girl. This is Walmart fabric that I just took some thumbtacks, whatever y'all want to call it, stuck it up there, boom, my background. Okay, y'all gotta, y'all ain't got all that money, you know, you gotta learn how to do something, you know, be on a budget, you gotta learn how to do little things like that. Okay, get some cardboard, go to Family Dollar or something, stick some trees, not some trees, stick some flies on there. Like I see all the little creative stuff, like you on YouTube right now, they got videos like that, okay? They got videos on how to make your background for cheap or whatever the case may be. They got that out here. All right, let's go to the next key point, okay? So the next one is use hashtags when you be posting y'all stuff. Relevant hashtags. So if you're selling bundles, do a hashtag of Brazilian hair. Do a hashtag of closure sew-ins, frontal sew-ins, sew-ins, and hashtags like that. I'm not gonna keep going on. If you sell mink lashes, put mink lashes, 3D minks, 5D minks. You feel me? Dallas makeup artists, celebrity makeup artists. Y'all gotta use our hashtags. That way, without hashtags, how are people supposed to find you? Because with those hashtags, you need to use hashtags that people search for. Yeah, so you make sure that you use hashtags. Do not go overboard with your hashtag. Don't post the same hashtag over and over again, because then Instagram will block you. I will make a video on hashtags because it's a lot. So I'll make a separate video on hashtags. But for now, just the basic. Make sure you use hashtags. Make sure you switch up your hashtags. Make sure your hashtags goes with your business. You ain't trying to have a hashtag selling hair and you putting in McDonald's. No, that don't work. That don't work. No, not like that. Put hashtags that go along with your business. You feel me? You can do love and hip hop, because I do love and hip hop. I do like a trend, like, if like a celebrity, a big celebrity, they talking about a celebrity so much, I will hashtag that celebrity, Y'all gonna see my stuff since y'all talking about that. Boom, look at this. So keep up with the trend. That is important too, to keep up with the trend. What are they talking about? What your people talking about? So, yeah, we're gonna go over that in a separate video on hashtags. So, next, and how to grow your business is engaging with your followers, okay? You just got all them followers and you ain't talking to nobody, you ain't liking their pictures, you're not doing nothing. How they supposed to know? People like me, I go, okay, they follow back. That's it. I don't go to their page. I don't see none of that. I don't even go to their page. I just seen you follow me, so I'm like, follow you back. So y'all need to talk. If they post a picture, oh, your hair is pretty, oh, your outfit's pretty, oh, you are pretty, talk to them. Like they stuff. Spam them with likes sometimes, every once in a while. Don't go overboard. Because again, Instagram will be like, what you doing? Okay? Don't go overboard. But show them that you exist. And another thing, there are like hair inspiration Instagrams, like Daily Dose of Hair and stuff like that. Make sure you go up under them. Make sure you comment on those pictures, because you see their likes. So try to follow them, turn their post notifications on. Try to comment on each and every picture that they drop. Comment and be like, oh man, that is some cute hair. I mean, that install is bomb. Stuff like that. That way your customers see your comment like, ooh, they sell hair. Ooh, they sell lashes. You gotta make sure you know. You gotta put yourself out there. If you ain't doing nothing but just posting pictures, how they supposed to know you even exist? And they probably ain't even use hashtags. So how they supposed to know you exist, okay? So this video is to get you started on Instagram, or if you already started on Instagram and you ain't seeing nothing, this is probably why, because you're probably not using hashtags. You're probably not engaging with y'all people. They probably don't even know that they even following you. They even following you. Like, damn, I was following you. Let me go to your page. Whoa, you got all of that. You feel me? You gotta make yourself known, okay? You can't be no ghost just posting pictures on Instagram. You feel me? No. So those are kind of some key points on what to do on your Instagram page. Here's some stuff that y'all don't need to do, and I see it all the time, which it should be common sense, but whatever. Don't be in no drama on Instagram. How are you supposed to attract customers and all your customers see is you going back and forth with somebody? Okay? What if Nicki Minaj just came to your profile and then they see up in one of your pictures you arguing with somebody? Hell no, I'm not shopping with them. Hell no, I'm not giving them a chance. They in drama. They bad. They bad for business. You feel me? So no, do not argue with nobody under no post, whether it's yours, whether it's somebody else's. Do not argue with nobody, okay? Don't argue with nobody. Don't be in no drama. Don't be in no drama. Do not be in no drama, boo. Don't be in no drama, boo, okay? Don't be in no drama. Period. Okay, and another thing to grow your hair business or to stop you from growing on Instagram is advertising under somebody else's post. Boo. Do your own thing. Do not comment under another hair company post talking about my prices is lower. My hair is better. My mink lashes is better. They're more fluffy. No, don't do that. Don't do that because you just scared away some customers by doing that. That's not what you do. Let them have their shine and you make your own stuff. You make your own post, advertise your own thing on your page. Okay? Don't go up under somebody else's post trying to advertise your stuff. That's not what you do. That's not what you do at all. That is not what you do. Another thing is you can do Instagram ads. I will make another video going into Instagram ads as well. But Instagram ads, that's another way to grow your business. Like I said, I will make a screen recording on Instagram ads in just a few. But yeah, run some Instagram ads. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, if you have anything that you need to want to know, anything that you want to know, just comment below so I can go ahead and make a YouTube video on that to help y'all out. Again, thank you for watching, boo. Like this video. Turn our post notifications on so you can be updated on it every time we post a video. And subscribe to our channel because you love us. Well, me, who's us? You love me. And yeah, so thank you so much for watching. Bye.